Modeling in machine learning consists of constructing the core components that will serve as the framework for a machine learning model. Neural networks are some of the most common models used in ML. So for the purposes of this lesson, we will focus on this specific type of model. A single neural network is made up of numerous computational layers. Each of these layers will pass a decision to the subsequent layer until reaching the output layer, which will produce a final decision for the input data. The data that goes into the network is a set of values. These values, for example, could be pixels contained in an image or an audio waveform. This image shows an example of network with 3 layers, 2 hidden layers and an output layer. When counting the number of layers, we generally count all the layers after the input layer. Each layer is made up of some number of nodes, each of which has its own parameters that describe the data flow through the network. Neural networks are sometimes referred to as deep neural networks simply because of the deep number of layers contained in the network. Before a network is trained, there is an architecture that is defined and used throughout the life of the model. There is a process known as neural architecture search that further optimizes the creation of a neural network by swapping out and testing different architectures as the model is trained. We will go into this a bit later, but to start, we should understand that a neural network is a series of layers, each of which contains different nodes which will perform various calculations. The structure of these nodes and layers, as well as how they are connected, is what is known as the architecture of the network.